Tired of your iPhone and computer playing a stubborn game of hide and seek, refusing to connect? First, let's check the basics. The cable, believe it or not, a faulty or damaged cable is often the culprit. Try using a different USB cable, preferably an official Apple cable, to rule out any connection issues. Also, inspect both ends of the cable for any visible damage or debris. Next, let's make sure your computer recognizes your iPhone. On Windows, open Device Manager. Look for Apple Mobile Device USB driver. If you see a yellow exclamation mark, it indicates a driver problem. Right-click on it and select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. Now, back to your iPhone. When you connect it to your computer, a prompt should appear asking, "Trust this computer?" Make sure you tap Trust if you've accidentally tapped Don't Trust in the past. Disconnect your iPhone, restart both your iPhone and computer, and then reconnect. The prompt should reappear. Software can sometimes be a pain. Ensure you have the latest version of iTunes installed on your computer. Even if you don't actively use it, iTunes installs essential drivers that your computer needs to communicate with your iPhone. Also, check for iOS updates on your iPhone. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Navigate to Settings, then General, and then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing your iPhone connection problems and enjoying seamless data transfer with your computer. Happy syncing.